Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom nickname for groups on Facebook. Let's say for example you want to comment or post on groups and you don't want your friends to see it, you want to remain anonymous to your friends. What you have to do is to click on the comment. At the bottom left corner you're going to see a profile. Click on it and it's going to bring out anonymous participants. But here you can create a custom nickname. It says a nickname is a custom name that you use in group to post, comment and react while keeping your main profile hidden. So you can choose to create a custom nickname. Whatever nickname you want to use, you can choose to use that. You can customize the profile to whatever you like. When you click on create, you will now use this profile to comment on Facebook group. As you can see right here, you can now use this custom profile to participate on groups, post, comment and react. So that's how you create a custom nickname for groups on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.